we're on a secret mission. Build the ultimate ROG gaming PC, load it up with this one of 1000 ROG Matrix GeForce RTX 5090 graphics card, then drive over 900 kilometers to surprise Australia's biggest ROG mega fan. It's all to celebrate 20 years of ROG, and he has absolutely no idea what is about to happen. This PC we're building, the most powerful you can get. I mean, check out the specs. 9950X3D paired with the RTX 5090. We've got a 2TB Gen 5 NVMe, 64 gigs of RAM, the ROG Crosshair X870E Hero motherboard paired with the ROG Thor Platinum 3 power supply and the ROG Ryu 4 SLC 360 ARGB CPU cooler. What a build this is gonna be, guys. I'm so excited. This, my friends, is the ROG Strix Hellos 2 case that we are giving to our lucky ROG fan. However, you know what I think would excite him? If we spruce this up with a bit of ROG love. Yes, we're gonna be doing some customization. We're gonna be adding custom panels. I don't know about you guys, but at the moment it's looking a little too black inside. So we may even replace some of the panels and some of the fans to bring in some RGB lighting. At the end of the day, we just want him to have something that is unique and something he can call his own. And what a beautiful canvas to actually be able to do this in. Our motherboard today is the ROG Crosshair X870E Hero, one of ASUS's top of the line and absolutely packed with USB, including 10 gig Type A USB. Then we've got two 40 gig Type C USB, plus another two 10 gig Type C, and plenty of other USB Type A. Plus, we also have 2.5 and 5 gig LAN. I think if we are to build the most powerful gaming PC in the world, then we have to put the most powerful gaming CPU in. Currently on the market, it is the 9950X3D, 16 cores, 32 threads. I'd love to have one of these in my personal system, but it's just so expensive. For the RAM, 32 gigs just isn't enough. We're going for 64 gigs. I spent a load on this RAM. RAM is just crazy expensive at the moment, but honestly worth it for this system. 64 gigs, 6,000 megahertz, and one broken wallet. Now, if we're going all out for a system, of course I have to throw in a Gen 5 NVMe. This is the Crucial T705. We're going with 2 terabytes, which is going to be plenty to install a bunch of games and programs and run them all the way up to 14,500 read and write. Oh, nice. He's also got a month free of Adobe Creative Cloud. That's pretty cool. The case itself comes with 4 pre-installed fans. However, the top fans, which come with the AIO cooler, are RGB. I want a bit of unity throughout the case, especially if I'm going for a themed build and especially for an ROG fan. So we're gonna replace all of the fans with the Unifan SL Infinities from Lian Li. Not only is the RGB lighting going to look amazing in this system, but the fact that they all daisy chain together and then one cable comes off of them is also gonna reduce cable clutter. Our cooler for today's video is the ROG Ryu 4 SLC 360 ARGB. I've used this once before and I absolutely loved it. They've moved the tubes to the middle to completely eliminate that long tube run. And they've got this awesome 90-degree display, which you can place your image on both the side and the front. The screen itself is also adjustable. So if you have RAM sticks which are getting in the way, simply push it to the side and you'll be able to fit everything. And let's be real, running the 9950X 3D, things are gonna get hot. So having a 360mm radiator to cool this beast, I think is a wise decision. Now, when you're going with an RTX 5090, of course you need plenty of power for it. That's why we've gone for a really efficient power supply. The ROG Thor 1000 watt Platinum 3. But what I really love about this is they've brought aesthetics to the power supply and thought about that with the Helios 2 by including that little mirror that you see down on the power supply shroud. So we're gonna be able to see the beauty of this power supply shining through that. I feel really privileged to be able to build with this graphics card. I mean, 30 years of ASUS graphics cards and 20 years of ROG are being celebrated right here. This is the most powerful gaming graphics card I've ever built with. And you pair that with the 9950X 3D, this gaming machine is gonna be absolutely crazy, and he's gonna love this because he is a collector. Oh, I cannot wait to get this in the system. This is gonna be so good. Oh, check that out, guys. That looks so good. That GPU in there fills that space nicely. That looks so sick. We've still got one last surprise for him, and that's the custom panels. Let's make this build truly unique. And then we've got a big trip tomorrow. All right, 9-hour drive. Let's go surprise him. Sean is Australia's biggest ROG fan and collector. We're heading there to film his awesome rare collection, which you'll see in the next video. Then the plan is to surprise him with the ROG Matrix 4090. And in his mind, all he'll be thinking is all he needs now is the ROG 5090 Matrix to complete his collection. And that's when we'll bring the build out and surprise him. All right, we're here.
The 4090 Matrix and the 5090 Matrix are the only two I don't have.
I've actually been talking to ASUS. We actually have a little surprise for you. ROG has heard about your collection. They understand that you were missing the Matrix GeForce RTX 4090.
Yeah.
And they actually wanted to provide you with one.
That's so sick.
I've actually got one more surprise for you.
Have you?
Yep. One more surprise. Just wait here.
Okay. Oh, stop it. That's crazy. No wonder you didn't catch a plane, dude. No way.
Yep.
Are you serious, dude?
It's the ROG 5090 Matrix.
Oh my God.
Custom build.
Did you build it?
I built it, yeah.
That's so sick. That's crazy.
It's all yours.
Is it? Is it
It's
really?
all yours, yeah. So you got the 5090 and the 4090 ROG Matrix.
Those guys are so good. I really appreciate that.
Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome.
Well, I definitely can't thank ROG enough for that. Wow.
Without ROG, this wouldn't be possible. This is all to celebrate their 20th anniversary.
100%.
And
Yeah.
they just wanted to do something special for, they call it Australia's biggest ROG mega fan. So
Yeah.
big thanks to ASUS, and they also sent us out here to be able to do this video. Mate, enjoy.
I will. I'll have some time to play games now.
I've still got a 9-hour drive back home.
Yeah.
It ain't over yet.